How to join random Zoom meetings. So there are two ways to join random meetings in Zoom. So first is to join random meetings through public meetings directory. So the first method allows you to access the public meetings directory. So first, you need to click on this public directory. Then this directory organizes meetings on various topics that are discussed daily. You can also browse the available desired meetings. Like after you access the page of this online directory, a list of random Zoom meetings will appear. Now you need to select the random Zoom meeting that discusses your preferred topic from this list. And you can also check the meeting details. So after selecting a random Zoom meeting from the desired list, you need to check its details. And once you do this, click on the link for the selected random Zoom meeting. Then copy the Zoom ID. So after selecting a desired meeting, check the random Zoom meeting details. And then click on the Open Zoom Meetings options. Join the random Zoom meeting and you have successfully engaged in a random Zoom meeting. And another way is to joining the random Zoom meetings through social media groups. So you can choose your desired social media platform like Facebook, get a random Zoom meeting link to your desired Facebook page, check the meeting details, join the random Zoom meeting, and click on the Zoom meeting. And then you can now participate respectfully. And that's how you can join random Zoom meetings full guide.